Now this part looks simple, and it is if you draw it the right way. And the right way is around the coordinate system. That's the key. You try it a different way, it can be a lot harder. Let's start with our rectangle by center, and we'll lock to our reference plane. And again, the key here is locking to the coordinate system axis. So I'll just come out here and draw some sort of a box. It doesn't matter what size. And then come out to the select button. Identify in that region. And we'll just push that out a certain distance. Just the general idea is all we're after here. Now, how do we get that half circle shape in here and dig it out so it's centered? And the key is to come to a full circle. It's a lot easier to draw full parts. Then spin this around, and let's see, I want the right reference plane. And so I'm going to identify this reference plane right here. Again, circle by center, lock, and I'm going to square this up with sketch view. And now I can come over here and draw the circle anywhere here, and we could just start, as long as it's centered. I'm just going to come up and make sure it is centered. So I'll draw this circle, zoom in, rotate this around. And so by using the reference planes, which were there by default, I didn't have to create anything else. Now when I come up to the select button, I can identify this region and pull this out. And the key here is, if this wasn't on symmetric, then it would just go one way. But I want it to go both ways because I'm working around the reference plane. So I'll turn on symmetric, and we'll just push that out a certain distance, and we know it's equal both sides. Now if I come back up to the select button and identify any of these faces, just say grab the end face, and because of design intent being on and it's looking for symmetric, once I grab that, this will push out. Okay, it goes both ways. And then if I went in and grabbed the inside face, just one of them, again because of design intent, I could adjust that accordingly. If you'd like to move these faces together, you can simply box pick one end, grab the arrow, just move that in or out. So that adjusts all four faces at once. And again, this is why it's critical to build around the coordinate system, the center reference planes.